What if I told you there are AI tools right now that can make you money, even while you sleep? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that beginners are using to generate income in 2026. No experience needed. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you write articles, scripts, emails, and even business ideas. People are making money by selling writing services on Fiverr and Upwork using this tool. Example: offer YouTube script writing or blog content writing. Tool number 2, Midjourney, AI image generator. Midjourney creates high-quality AI images. You can sell these images on stock sites or create print-on-demand products like t-shirts, posters, and mugs. Example: create unique art and sell it on Etsy. Tool number 3, Pictory AI. iPictory turns text into videos automatically. You can start a faceless YouTube channel or sell video creation services to clients. Example: make motivational or facts videos like this one. Tool number 4, 11 Labs AI Voice. This tool creates realistic human-like voiceovers. You can offer voiceover services for YouTube, ads, or audiobooks. Example: sell voiceover gigs on Fiverr. Tool number 5, Durable AI Website Builder. Durable AI builds a full website in 30 seconds. You can create websites for local businesses and charge $50 to $200 per project. Example: offer website creation for small businesses. These AI tools are just the beginning. If you stay consistent and take action, you can build a real online income in 2026. Comment below. Which AI tool will you try first? And don't forget to subscribe for more AI money-making ideas.